Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is what we are doing. We are doing a necklace and an earring. So let's get right into the video. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode. So make sure you watch to the end so you know what we'll be doing in the next episode. And let me see let me know what you think about the video. I got a different camera angle. Those who have been watching, if it's not your first time, realize the video has changed a little bit, so I'm not really going to do a detailed voiceover, but where I have to come in, I will surely come in. Let me know if you like this type or you still want me to do the full voiceover. Enjoy the video, and don't forget, at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end. Now let me explain this part a little bit. Yeah, so I picked one seed bead and I counted 3 seed bead in between the two round, or in between the two crystal. So I'm going to pass my needle through the fourth one, but it's going through 3 of the seed bead upwards, just like so. Then I'm going to pass my needle through 3 more seed beads, just like so. This time I'm going to pick 5 seed beads, so that's 5. And I'm going to count 5 starting from where my thread is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to pass my needle through the 6th seed bead, but through 3 of the seed beads upwards. I believe that makes sense. So when you are picking only one seed bead, you count 3. And you pass your needle through the 4th seed bead. When you're picking 5 seed beads, you count 5 and pass your needle through the 6th seed bead. I believe that is clear. So to finish the earring up, I put the two threads together, and these are stoppers. I'll put all the materials used will be in the description box so you can check them out. I'm just going to put two of the stoppers on it. Then this is my earring holder. I'm just going to pass all my two threads through it. Then my thread is going back through the stoppers and the crystal. Once that was done, I went ahead to press the stoppers firmly using my flat nose. So you press it as hard as you can so that when you get rid of the excess thread, your work doesn't spoil. So that is it, and this is how it looks like, and this is how the two looks like. So yeah, and the next episode is going to be a bracelet and a ring of the same design. So if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.